Docs Secure 365 is a desktop application for file encryption and for PDF manipulation. This application has been developed by a chartered accountant for creating awareness about document security concept. We all know that technology is an integral part of our day-to-day life, and we are moving towards paperless workplaces, which is a positive step in all aspects. But safety and security is one of the aspects which cannot be ignored in any work. Moreover, nowadays, we are storing our digital documents on web portals for easy access 24/7. For example, ABC and Associates, which is a chartered accountants firm, prepares a confidential report for their client, say, XYZ Industries Limited, and sent it through public email id, say xyz@mail.com. Now, this process involves two types of security risk. Risk number 1, if email ID of the recipient is incorrect, or there is some typing mistake, then in that case, that confidential file may go to some wrong person. Risk number 2, hackers may get unauthorized access of these documents if there is loophole in internet network. Moreover, most of the times, it happens that our confidential files stored in pen drive get lost somewhere and creates big problem for us. In that case, what is the solution? How we can increase the security of our confidential documents is a big concern for all. If we see the modern trend, then we come across the fact that lots of government department, like Income Tax Department of India, always sends all correspondence with password protected files. Before starting this project, efforts were made for searching a tool which can serve the object of documents encryption, and after trying various online portal and software, it is observed that most of the people avoid data encryption because there is always a risk of forgetting password. Most of the software and apps available in the market provide the facility of data encryption, but problem comes when we forget this password. Then, in order to recover password, some other software are being used, which may or may not work. There are some software in the market which put a restriction on file size. Say for example, if the size of a PDF is more than 20 MB, then it will not be processed and displays a message for purchasing their paid version. There are lots of web-based applications which require files to be uploaded on their server, and then process the file, and thereafter provide the processed file for download. Although our work gets successfully completed, but it creates a risk of unauthorized access of file. Since original file still is in outside a server, they may delete or not depend on them. In most of the countries where internet connectivity is slow, in such situation it is very difficult to upload large files to the cloud platform and then again to download the same. Therefore, in order to solve all these problems, a new software, Docs Secure 365, has been developed by C.A.D.K.Mishra. By profession, he is a chartered accountant and working as finance manager in SCCL, which is a subsidiary company of Coal India Limited. It's a Java-based jar application which do not require any internet connection. The unique feature of this software is creation of password policy and password recovery. Let's discuss password policy concept. Password policy is a predefined pattern of password which is being used to encrypt and decrypt the files. Through this software, we can create organizational level password policy. This means a single password for all documents encryption and decryption. For example, ABC and Associates creates their organizational level password policy as ABC@123 and also communicated to their all concerned persons. Now only these persons will be able to access any file which is being created by ABC and Associates. Let's see the live demonstration. How it works. Enter your login details. Now click on Create Password Policy button, and then enter password policy name and password, and finally, click on Save. Now click on Show Password Policy button. Here is your first password policy. Now it's time to encrypt our first PDF file. Click on PDF encryption, select the PDF file which you want to encrypt, choose your password policy from drop-down list, and you are done. Now, in order to open this PDF file, you need to enter a valid password. Moreover, for more security, you can create client-level password policy. Means unique password for every client, but in a common pattern, so that file can be accessed by that particular person only. For making such policy, we take those unique fields of client, which is known to him only, like their PAN number, date of birth, GST number, etc. For example, ABC and Associates is having 5 clients. In that case, T.K. can create 5 different and unique password policy for their client, with the combination of 1 or more unique fields. Say for example PAN number and date of birth. Let's take an example, in which ABC and Associates prepares a report for his client Mr. B, and before sending the report, he also encrypt with the password policy which he has created for Mr. B. Now, only Mr. B will be able to open this file, because only he knows the password, which is combination of his PAN number and date of birth. Let's see the live demonstration, how it works. Click on PDF encryption. Select the report of Mr. B which we want to encrypt. Now select the password policy which we have created for Mr. B. And we have done. Now in order to open this file, Mr. B will enter his PAN number and date of birth. After PDF encryption, let's discuss how we can increase security of other files, like text files, images, Excel files, database files, audio files, video files, etc. For all kinds of files, other than PDF, Docs Secure 365 is having an excellent solution. As discussed earlier, this software solves the problem of documents password recovery in several ways. First method to recover documents password is by its UID number. This software produce file's name in following format, where first part shows the name of our original file and second part is its UID number, which is a unique number for every encrypted file. Let's see the live demonstration. How we can recover documents password by its UID number. Click on Retrieve PDF Password. Select Search Password by UID. Enter UID number. Click on Go. That's it. We have successfully recovered our documents password. When we don't have UID number, then we can recover document password by its file name. Let's discuss a case where file name has been changed completely. Now its password cannot be recovered, either through its UID or through its file name. In that case also, this software can recover your password with 100% accuracy. All about document encryption, password policy and password recovery. In addition to that, this software can be used for day-to-day PDF manipulation. This software can be used for merging several PDF files into a single file, and for splitting a PDF file into several multiple files, and for deleting few PDF pages, extracting some PDF pages, and also for inserting a PDF file between some pages. Now it's time to download the software and start using it. You are requested to give your feedback for further improvement. Thank you.